Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID email address on your iPhone. First, let's click on the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now in the iPhone settings, let's click on the Apple ID profile name here at the top. Now within the Apple ID, you want to click on the name, phone number and email here at the top. Now within the contactable at here at the top, you want to click this little edit box here. Then you want to tap on this little red icon here to delete the email. This delete box will pop up and you want to select delete. Then you'll get this warning message. Please choose another address to use as your Apple ID. Now here you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. So let's enter that here. Now at this stage, this is where you enter your new Apple ID email. So let's enter the Apple ID email. And once you've entered your new Apple ID email address, you want to click next. Then Apple will send you a verification code to that new email address, which you then have to verify by clicking the button within the email. So that's how to change your Apple ID email address all within the iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.